How's it going, everyone? It's Adam from Life of Adam. Today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about what to do with your time, how to be productive in college. And you'll know right away, as soon as you move from high school to college, that you have a ton of time on your hands. I always thought school is you wake up, you get there at 8 a.m. and you have nonstop classes till 3 p.m. and then you go home and do homework. But you'll realize very quickly in college is that you'll have a lot of time in between classes, before, after classes, and the decisions you make during that time can really impact how your overall experience is. Now, before I get into this, if you guys are new to the channel, I make a bunch of tip videos, lifestyle tip videos, lifeguarding videos, so definitely consider subscribing and liking the video if you found this video helpful so that more people can get this advice. So my freshman year of college, I remember vividly, I had a 9:25 a.m. class and I didn't have a class until like 1:30 in the afternoon. So I had like 3 hours of time to kill and I didn't know what to do. So now the first tip I can give you, especially if you're someone who either A, commutes to school, lives on campus, is taking online classes remotely, is to do homework as soon as it's assigned. It's something that it's extremely slept upon. Most people wait till they get home, hence the reason why it's called homework, and just do it at like 7 p.m. and they're not gonna be able to enjoy their friend's company. If you're living with a friend, you're not gonna be able to watch your favorite TV show or sporting event or go out at night. Like, you're just gonna sit there doing homework. But what I found is as soon as I have a class, if it's something small and easy that doesn't really require that much brain power, but I have to do it at a certain time, I just do it right away. And even if it's a bigger size project, I get started on it, get some thinking out of the way, set it up and do a little chunk of it so that when I revisit it, I know exactly what I need to do, and I'm not like sitting down and thinking about how to get started, because that's really how you waste a lot of your time, is trying to get started and thinking of what to do. Number one tip is get your homework done in between classes, after classes, before classes, so that when you go home, you can enjoy yourself. Number two is get super involved. It could be clubs, it could be sporting events, it could be literally anything. The difference between college and high school is you have certain friends you grow up with that you always hang out with and you're like in a group. College, nobody cares if you're friends with someone, no one's paying attention to you, like, oh, why are you friends with this person? You can literally meet anyone, it's a clean slate, it's a fresh start. So really take advantage of just like doing things you wanna do, being yourself, and you just meet people that are like you, and that's how you build really good connections. Because a lot of my high school friends I barely even talk to anymore. The majority of my closest friends are from college and beyond. High school, it's like childhood stuff, you reminisce, but college is when you really meet people that are like you and that you just have a deeper connection with. Now, if you're active on your homework and you're getting involved, another thing you can really do is build good habits, AKA take care of yourself. A lot of people completely abandon because they're so focused on their like education and maybe they have a job on the side. They don't think about taking care of themselves. It does not take a lot of effort to eat healthy foods, eat clean, take care of yourself, stretch in the morning, make sure you're not hunched over so much at a computer, like you have good posture. These are things that don't require that much time, but just a little mental note, and you start making good habits during this downtime. You start picking out the right foods and eating the right foods. That's like a lifestyle thing that you'll take beyond college. Another thing is working out. Working out is the definition of you time. It's something that not only will keep you busy, you listen to good music, you'll take care of yourself, but it's something that's super addicting. Once you get started, it just shows pure discipline. And if you look good and you feel good and you get into really good shape, there's no shortcuts, there's no BS. So people admire that and they say, okay, this person's hardworking, driven, ambitious. It's a very charismatic trait. So just getting in the gym, working out, listening to good music, eating right during this downtime during college, that's life application that you'll take beyond, and people will look at you in a whole different life, like, okay, this person has their life together. So I hope this video helped you, gave you some motivation, gets your mind thinking a little bit. These are things that I did, and I guarantee you, these are some of the best decisions ever, because even beyond college and working a full-time job, I still do these things and I absolutely love it. It helps me stay going every day and helps me be very disciplined and motivated. So like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you all in the next upload. Thanks so much. Peace out.